What's up, YouTube? Special video this week, doing something different. I'm gonna eat one thing and one thing only this entire week. You guessed it. Just kidding, surprise. It's the Costco Chicken Bake, one of their staple items at the food court. Comment below, what's your favorite Costco food item at the food court? But I'm having nothing but chicken bakes this week. Having 3 per day because that almost hits my macros perfectly. Here's my targets for a normal day. Here's what 3 chicken bakes is. So as you can see, pretty darn close. I'm not gonna eat any other food. I'll have my supplements, that's about it. But 3 chicken bakes a day. Comment if you think I'm gonna gain weight, lose weight, or stay the same. We'll see what happens. 3 chicken bakes a day. Here's my weigh-in on the bathroom scale on Monday morning, 158.8. Here is the in-body results from Monday morning. So that's what we're gonna measure compared to next Monday after 21 chicken bakes. See what the damage is. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, so you can see more videos like this. This is actually dinner time. This is chicken bake number 3. Chicken bake number 4. All right, chicken bake number 5. First one I'm having fresh, not reheated. Day 2, dinner time. So this is chicken bake number 6 for the week. Day 3, there's my weight from this morning. Chicken bake number 7 going down. Costco chicken bake number 8. Chicken bake number 9. This is the morning of day 4. Here is my weight from this morning. Down a little bit, good bit actually. This is Costco chicken bake number 10, I think. Meal prep done for the next 2 days. This is chicken bake number 11. Costco chicken bake number 12, I believe. Morning of day 5. Here's my weight. Still on the lower side, trending down. This is chicken bake number 13. Chicken bake number 14. Chicken bake number 15. Chicken bake number 17. Chicken bake number 18, almost done. Getting pretty sick of this. One more day. This is day 7, last day. Here's my weight from this morning. Kind of right where I started. This is Costco chicken bake number 19. Costco Chicken Bake number 20. Chicken Bake number 21, last one. Thank goodness, glad to be done. Keep watching to see the results, my weight, see what happened, and body scan as well tomorrow morning. Last Chicken Bake. All right, so the results are in. I am officially done eating chicken bakes, hopefully for a long time, but definitely for the week. Ate all 21 chicken bakes, 3 a day. Surprisingly, it wasn't too hard. They kept me pretty full, and again, hit my macros pretty darn close. Let's see what my weight did. So over the last week, my weight is at an average of 158.1, which is down from week before by 1.9 pounds. So weight was trending down, which is pretty surprising because it was more calories according to their nutrition label. But I wasn't snacking, so maybe that made up for the difference there. And then my InBody, here's those results from 1 week ago compared to today. I'm down 2 pounds, 0.2 pounds of muscle, which is a bummer, but everything else was body fat. So I lost 1.8 pounds of body fat just eating chicken bakes. So I think moral of the story is you can kind of eat whatever you want as long as those numbers work out. So while a chicken bake might not be the most stereotypically healthy thing, I lost almost 2 pounds of fat in a week. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Subscribe, help me get to 1,000 so I can do a stupid food challenge and entertain you guys. But that's it. See you in the next video.